What's up, everybody? It's your boy Andre. We're back here at the Harley-Davidson garage. This one's for all my DIY guys and my wrenchers. Today, we're looking at Harley-Davidson tune-up kits. These kits are available for Milwaukee 8, Twin Cam, and XL Evo engines and give you everything you need for a tune-up in one convenient package. So pay attention if you want to simplify the shopping process for your next service. All of our kits will include everything you need in just the right amount for your bike. The engine oil, either Syn 3 or HC360, a super premium 5-micron oil filter in either chrome or black, gear oil, either synthetic or Formula Plus transmission and primary chain case lubricant, a service gasket kit, and spark plugs. Our kits will provide you with everything you need for an oil, transmission fluid, and spark plug change, so shopping for necessary parts is now easier than ever. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.